My name is Marta Liliana Rincón Cabrera. I am 33 years old. I am from the Socha municipality. I dedicate must do work independently and in my spare time I dedicate myself to read book of all kids. I live with my husband and me do daughter. I am studying engineering course. My favorite series is The End of Paradise. My favorite sport is soccer. My family is mad of our husband Sergio Pinzón. He is 33 years old. He is from Socha. He works in various states. He is a dad. He is king. His jeans are brown and his hair is brown. My old Darwin's mine is Lady Diana Pinzón. Is 15 años years old. From Socha. She is studying at school in Normal Superior Socha. She is friend and collaborative. You are brown dress with long brown hair and my youngest daughter Nicole Carolina Pinzón. He is 10 years old. She is a student at the school, is a collaborator as brown eyes and black eyes.